think I might be recording. See what happens. Dear students, this is my video on DNA function. Let's see, we're writing here. We're starting with this diagram of the cell. We've got the cell membrane, the nucleus, which contains the chromosomes. There are 4 to 6 chromosomes in each typical human cell. Sections of chromosomes are called genes, and those sections can be copied into RNA. That RNA can leave the nucleus to go to a ribosome to start making protein. And that's what this diagram is. Those are the parts. Those are the labels. You can freeze this, and you can try to draw a diagram on your own and then pause the video and check yourself. We're not going to revisit the diagram at the notes at the end, though. So what is this all about? Well, we're making protein, and there's a metaphor about making protein that involves Nana's house. The story is you want to host a dinner party, and your grandma's got the best food, and you want to cook that food for your dinner party. And so you're like, hey, Grandma, hit me up with that cookbook. And she's like, no, because that cookbook is an heirloom cookbook, and it is fragile, and it is old, and it's got all kinds of additional stuff in it, and she's not letting that out of the house. But you are welcome to come to Grandma's house and make a copy of any of the recipes you want. So you get your hands on one of these old recipes, and you make a little disposable copy of it, a little note card. You can take that with you. You can drop it down a gutter. You can set it on fire. You can stain things on it. It doesn't matter what happens to this, because you can always go back to the original cookbook, look up another recipe, and make another copy. Now, once you have this, you can go to your kitchen where you're comfortable, and you can cook the food, and you can make that meal, and everybody's happy. Well, there's a similar story. This is a metaphor for what's happening in the cell. Grandma's house is the nucleus, because in the nucleus of the cell are the chromosomes, and the chromosomes have all of the genes. The genes are different sections of the chromosomes. So this was Nana's house, and the chromosomes are the cookbook, and the sections of the chromosomes are the genes. These have recipes for specific proteins. Well, you can copy a section of the chromosome. You can copy a gene. You can copy a recipe to make mRNA. And mRNA will leave the nucleus to go to ribosomes, and when it's there, it will attract these amino acids to the ribosome, and the ribosome will start putting the amino acids together to make a protein. So let's review. The cell diagram includes the cell membrane, the nucleus, 46 chromosomes, RNA, and ribosomes. The metaphor involves going to Nana's house, where she keeps her heirloom cookbook, which contains specific recipes. You can copy those recipes, take them to your kitchen, and make the meal. In real life, the nucleus holds chromosomes, and sections of chromosomes are called genes. We can copy a gene into RNA. The RNA will leave to go to a ribosome, which will make protein. We can put it all together. When a cell needs a specific protein, a gene on the chromosome in the nucleus is copied to make mRNA. The RNA travels to a ribosome. The ribosome will attract specific amino acids to the ribosome, which are the ingredients the ribosomes need to make proteins. I hope this helps. Struggle well.